Welcome back to the Do and Do Little. We are a mother and daughter duo who likes playing in hair and makeup. That's Cray, and that's me. Today we're doing the Freetress Tpart 13x6 human hair wig. Yeah, she was jamming. We decided to do a Beyonce day. Now for adhesive, we're using Got to Be Glue in the black container, and we will be using hairspray by Bedhead. She just couldn't keep still. You should have seen this makeup look in our last video. If not, just go back and take a look how we got to this point. Check out the butterfly earrings. Okay, I tried to spray the hairspray and basically sprayed my hand. She's feeling the music. Brushing her shoulders off. Now we got this wig from our local beauty supply store. Do you like the video so far? Click the thumbs up icon. Making sure that the lace goes from ear to ear. It doesn't that well. Tying it down to help it stick to the adhesive. Left the band on for about 10 minutes. Now it's time to hopefully get these curls to pop. Spraying a little water in our Amazon spray bottle. Missed some on the edges. Just reapplying with the hairspray on top. If you like this video so far, share it with your friends and family. As you can see, this wig is about 20 inches in length. Adding some leave-in conditioner. It's the Garnier Freetrees. Smells good. It said curly, but this is more of a deep wave to me. Trying to brush in some of the product that I've put into her hair. Using some got to be gel to gel down some of her edges in the front. Please leave us a comment and let us know what you think of how we're doing. You're using the hair fetish to make that part pop. These are all the shades that it comes in.
Why are you going back and forth? I can't keep up with your
It's supposed to help it look like scalp.
What is trouble in your mind?
Does it look like scalp to you? What I noticed, my part is crooked as I don't know what. Decided to do a little play on the hair, braiding up the front so that it's not in her face.
I just wanna make your heart sing, but you're not letting me get through to you. If you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you.
She's back to jamming again.
I wanna take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is trouble in your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride.
I hope you've subscribed and clicked the notification bell. Hair is practically done. Now I'm not leaving those braids hanging to the side. Ugh, those terrible edges, trying to get them to adhere. She's happy with the look. Bye. The final reveal.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.